Hello friends, welcome to this video of Microsoft Excel function in which we are going to discuss four functions today: large, small, rank EQ and rank average. To understand the use of this function, we'll see this example in which we have different states with their respective cases of a specific infection or disease. So these are the number of cases for a particular disease in that specific state. Now the large function tries to identify the highest value in this data based on the input in the function. So it can also identify second highest, third highest and so on and so forth value out of this range based on the input. Similarly, the small function can calculate the lowest data in the series as well as second lowest, third lowest, so on and so forth based on the provided input. While rank function mainly works to provide rank into a specific series against the specific data. So suppose this data is the highest one in this series, so it will provide first rank if we provide input like that. But we can also provide an input to assign rank in ascending manner, so the lowest value will get the first rank. So now we'll understand how to implement this function in this example. So here we will try to calculate the highest cases of this series and we'll also get second and third highest cases in this data. For that, we'll type the function large. We'll select the array. Array means a range of data, and here we need to provide k. K means what level of largest value you want to have. So it will try to find out nth largest value or kth largest value. So if you enter 1, it means you want to have the highest data in the provided range. If you enter 2, means you want to have second highest data in the provided range. So here I am placing 1 or selecting this cell directly which has 1 in itself. Complete the parenthesis and press enter. So it will give me the highest value in the provided data series. Now I can drag this value downwards and it will give me second and third highest value in the data. Similarly, the small function have similar kind of input in which we need to provide an array and we need to suggest the level of the value. So if we want to have the lowest value, we will enter 1, and if we want to have second and third lowest value, we can have 2 and 3 in this data set. So this can be extended up to larger value as well, like fourth and fifth highest value as well as fourth and fifth lowest value as per your preference and requirement. Now what we are here doing is we are getting the data based on the level of the value, whereas here we are assigning rank to this data. So it is similar to this function only, but right now we are providing rank here rather than finding out the value as in this example. So for that, we can take the function rank. If you type the rank, you can see there are three options here. Now in this video, we are going to discuss rank EQ and rank average, but additionally, one simple rank function is also available in this list. Now basically, this rank and rank EQ functions are same with some minor modification in rank EQ. So basically, this rank function is a compatibility function as has been marked by this sign in front of that function. Similarly, this %rank is also a compatibility function. Now what happens? Microsoft Excel tries to improve their functions or formulas based on the future requirement, and that's why they also add variations in the currently available functions. So if we take example of this rank function, which was available in Microsoft Excel 2010 and prior version, has been upgraded and added with a variation of rank EQ and rank average to improve the functionality. So if you use this rank EQ and rank average here, A person who is using Microsoft Excel 2010 or prior version would not be able to see the analysis based on this function, as it is not compatible. And that's why we may use this simple rank function to improve the compatibility. So as we have seen, this rank and rank EQ are having similar function, and right now we will take this example of rank EQ here, and rank average we will try to understand in next example. So in this rank EQ function, we need to provide first a number for which it will assign rank as a reference or input. So we are providing this number and it will assign rank to that one. Next, we need to provide a reference range. So we are selecting this range as a reference. Next one, which is an optional one, that we need to provide descending or ascending input. So suppose we want to give highest rank or the rank 1 to a data which is having highest value, we need to select descending option. So it will go in descending sequence of the value of the data to provide rank. Similarly, if we want to apply rank in ascending order, means we want to give the lowest value first rank and so on and so forth, then we need to select 1 as an option. So here we want to give first rank to the highest cases, and that's why we can select this descending option. Alternatively, if you do not select or do not give any input here, by default it will take descending as an input. So that's why it's an optional input here, as has been marked with this square bracket. So when we drag it down, it will assign the rank to each and every value in that specific range, and that would be in the descending manner. So you must have observed that the function large and this function rank EQ in descending order are doing exactly opposite thing. Here we are arranging the data in descending order based on their rank, whereas we are assigning rank here based on the value in descending manner through this rank EQ function. Similarly, if we would have applied the rank EQ function in ascending manner, it would be exactly opposite as the function small. Now, before going to the next example, to understand the difference between rank EQ and rank average function, kindly like the video if you have learned something new from this video, and share this video. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive all the updates of this channel in your YouTube app. So in this next example, we are taking infant mortality rates of different states. So as we all know that routinely we would prefer to provide the highest rank, that is rank 1, to the state with lowest infant mortality rate. And that's why we will provide ascending as an input in this rank EQ function. So we will type rank EQ, select this number, select the array, and in order we will provide 1 as an input, complete the parenthesis and drag it down. So it has provided first rank to this data with lowest level. Now in this example, you would also understand that why this function rank EQ and rank average are two different one in Microsoft Excel. So as you see here, there are two data with similar level of infant mortality rate, and this rank EQ function has provided same rank to both this data, and that's why this function is being termed as rank EQ or rank equal. So after providing the first rank to this data, the next level of data is this one, and that's why there are two ranks are there, and after that there is no third rank, and it has directly given the fourth rank to next available data in ascending manner. Now to understand the difference between rank equal and rank average function, we will apply the rank average function here. In the same manner, we applied rank EQ or rank equal function. So we select the number, we select the reference, and we apply the ascending or 1 here for order, press enter and drag it down. So difference that you observe here is, rather than giving rank 2 to both this one, it has averaged the rank and provided rank 2.5. So it has averaged 2 and 3 rank and given this rank here. So similarly, suppose you change another data here and make it similar to this one. So now we have 3 data as 23. So this rank equal function has provided equal rank, that is rank 2 to each of this data, whereas this rank average function has make average of rank 2, 3 and 4, and that's why it has provided rank 3. Again, if we change the data here, what would happen? This rank equal function will provide 4 times rank 2, whereas this rank average would take average of rank 2, 3, 4 and 5 and provide rank 3.5. So this is the basic difference between both this function. Routinely, we use this rank equal function rather than rank average function. So that is all related to these 4 functions. I have attached the link of the datasheet in the description so that you can download the data and practice these functions. If you have any issue related to this function or you have any request for the future video, kindly write those things in comment section. Thank you.